Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location in OmeTV. So let's get started. So here we are in ome.tv right here. And from here, in order for you to change your country or location, you can click here, right here, and you can just choose the country that you would want to change in. So for example, you want to go for Portugal or you can go for Poland right here. So that is how you can change it here in the platform itself. But if this method is not getting you the results that you wanted, and maybe you need even a deeper solution for this one, like maybe you can change the location of your device itself. So what you can do with that is that you need a VPN for that. So I suggest that you explore the VPNs right here that would be available for you. You can try out VPNs right here with a free trial so that you don't have to pay for anything. But in my case, I'm currently using NordVPN, which I will be using in this video to change my location in OmeTV. So from here, from my NordVPN, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search for Poland right here because this is the country or the location that I would want to change my location in. So I'm just gonna click on Poland right here, and now it's finding me a server. So right here, it's now connected right here. So now I'm just gonna restart my OmeTV right here. And then I'm just gonna wait for this one to load right here. So as you can see right there, and make sure to also set your country right here depending on the country that you're connected with VPN. That way it would match. So from here, I have now changed my location in OmeTV. So now when I tap on start, I should be in the Poland server and I should be seeing people here that are in the Poland server here in OmeTV. So that is basically how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.